Hello and welcome to Finobis Consulting, your strategic partner in finance, growth, and business process outsourcing. At Finobis, we don't just crunch numbers, we build financial roadmaps for success. Our mission? To empower small businesses, founders, and growth stage ventures with clarity, confidence, and scalable financial systems. We get it, you're scaling fast, product, people, growth. But behind the scenes, it's messy. Cash burn feels out of control. Forecasts are guesswork. Investor decks are last minute. Reports, delayed, or missing. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Founders wear too many hats, until growth outpaces your systems. The result? Missed opportunities, burnout, investor doubts. That's where Finobis comes in. We turn financial chaos into clarity, so you can lead, scale, and raise with confidence. We're not traditional advisors. We're builders, automators, and strategic partners. Led by a tech-savvy chartered accountant with global experience, from Fortune 50s to startups, we bring a modern, data-driven approach. Our signature solutions. 1. Business finance kit, forecast, dashboard, investor deck. 2. Virtual CFO Lite, monthly report, board-ready strategy. 3. BPO Power Pack, finance automation, top, remote teams. Scaling, but stuck in the fog? Scan the QR code to book your free clarity call. Because your vision deserves a finance function that scales, with you, and with us.